So first thing today we're going to talk about is regular preterite. The conjugations for the regular preterite AR verbs are aste, o, amos, and aron. The conjugations for ER and IR verbs are iste, io, imos, and ieron. Some examples are hablar. The conjugations are hable, hablaste, hablo, hablamos, and hablaron. For beber, it'd be bebi, bebiste, bebió, bebimos, and bebieron. Next, we're going to be talking about irregular preterite. So some irregular preterite verbs that you need to know are ir and ser, ver, tener, estar, poder, and hacer. The conjugations for ir or ser are fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, and fueron. For ver, it's vi, viste, vio, vimos, and vieron. For tener, it's tuve, tuviste, tuvo, tuvimos, and tuvieron. For estar, it's estuve, estuviste, estuvo, estuvimos, and estuvieron. Poder is pure, puriste, puro, purimos, and purieron. Hacer is hice, hiciste, hizo, hicimos, and hicieron.
3.
The reason these verbs are irregular is because the verb changes from its original form to its conjugated form when it's conjugated into the preterite. Now we're talking about car, gar, and zar verbs. The conjugations for the verbs are car, C changes to a QU, gar, G changes to a GU, and zar, Z changes to C. Some examples are jugar, change to juegue, buscar, change to busque, and almorzar, change to almorce. And this is only in the yo form of the word. Lastly, we'll be talking about DOPs. These are direct object pronouns. The functions of a DOP are to avoid repetition and tell who or what is receiving the action in a question or in a statement. A DOP can be in front of a conjugated verb or attached to the infinitive. Here's some examples. Lo tengo que hacer or tengo que hacerlo. The DOPs that we're using are lo, la, los, and las. Lo is used for singular masculine nouns. La is used for singular feminine nouns. Los is for plural masculine nouns, and las is for plural feminine nouns. Some examples of DOPs in sentences are ¿Devolviste los libros a la biblioteca? And the answer to that using a DOP would be no los devolví. The DOP los replaces los libros in the first question. Another example is ¿Compraste los patines? Sí, los compré. Los is replacing los patines in the original question, and compre is the now conjugated verb. The same goes for this example, where devolví is conjugated from devolviste. You're conjugating it to make it into the correct form of the verb when you're talking about yourself. And to recap, finally, we've gone over regular preterite, irregular preterite, car, gar, and zar verbs, and DOPs. Gracias por ver.